crappie all morning. Look here, we got Todd out there fishing to get one. Man, Joe just now, Joe had a good one on and it come off. Todd fishing to pull one in. Look here, Todd, get him, Todd. Oh man, look here, baby. Live action today with us. We got Tennessee Todd, live action, and AWF Outdoors. What you got going on back there, Todd?
Alabama slab, son.
Look here, Joe, just missed one too. We finally getting on a few here. Been tough this morning, ain't it, man?
Yep.
Been tough anyway in the summertime.
Yes, sir. That's a good one.
If you can catch crappie in the summer, all summer, you're doing good, buddy. Hold that up here, Joe, and see what you get. Yep. On them one more time, Todd.
Absolutely, buddy.
We're gonna find some more. Look here. Oh man, Joe just missed another. Right here, it's about to get like that night fishing trip. Fishing get hectic here.
That's what we want. Like hectic.
Can't keep the minnows on the pole. What kind of fish is that, Todd?
LA
Trash fish. LA trash fish.
That's what he called them, LA trash. Look here, there's some right there up beside that tree. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish right there. At 15 foot deep on one piece of structure. So Todd didn't want us fishing without a depth finder up front. He brought everything but the boat and offered to bring the boat. So look here. Appreciate it, Todd. Got that new hummingbird sitting up front. And it's working, baby. It's paid off today. We pull up and check the structure and stuff, and I can pull up here and look. And there's fish on it, and we catching fish.
Yeah, keep.
Yeah, it keep. It's about 10 and a half, 11.
I'd have a unit, Joe.
10 and a half, 11.
All right. Boy, they good ones though. LA slab. AWF Outdoors.
Yes, sir. What you got back there, boss man?
Yeah. AWF Outdoor Crappie.
I hear you, boss.
Lower Alabama. Yes, sir. Throw him in there, Joe.
That's a nice in there, bro. Nice. My turn.
I gotta get me a minute too.
I'm gonna try to recycle mine.
If he's running, it's a bass. If he's coming straight up, it's a crappie. Oh man, he come off.
Got one.
Here go to Tennessee one.
Yeah. And I'm fishing 12, 13 foot deep.
Now you boys might want to keep some for yourself.
I got a freezer full. Oh, Todd slinging them in the boat faster than I can get the camera on.
Right in the top.
He wasn't coming off, was he?
Alabama slab.
Todd, tell us what we're doing today.
Well, guys, I'm out with Adrian Farley with AWF Outdoors. We're doing a little crappie fishing. I know you guys that watch his channel. He's always talking about 20-foot crappie. We're on a spot right now with 2 trees that is absolutely loaded with crappie. We're in about 18, 19 foot, and we are catching the crappies in about 8 to 11 foot. So it's hot here in Alabama today, let me tell you. But the crappies are on fire.
Whenever Whenever y'all hear me talk about 19, 20, or 20 foot crappie, you see what this screen's doing right now? You saw them lines, we sitting still. 19.0, 19, 18.8, 20 foot. Catching them 20 foot crappie on the Black Warrior River. Actually, the crappies, they're staging, like Todd said, they're holding about 8 to 15 feet. And that's what we're doing. Slanging slabs.
Slanging slab.
I wish you could call it a slab, but he's probably, I don't even, yeah, they got a checker right there. You can check him. He's probably legal. He's probably 10 inches, but 9's legal.
I don't know.
Yeah, he's 10 inches.
9 3/4.
He's legal if you want him.
You
Put
want
him
him?
in there. If he's legal.
He's legal. 3/4 inch legal. That 3/4 inch just cost him his life.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Where's the dip net at?
Get
You got him in top of the head.
I'm trying to get over in that hole.
You got him in top of the head.
Yeah. Yeah. Stole that. Slap off of me.
Stole it. Tell him, Joe. How you catch that? Just throw where Todd throws.
Getting his spot.
That's right. You got Todd a buoy right there.
Yeah.
And he's fishing around it, catching all the fish, and Joe just throws right on top of it and starts pulling them in.
Can't have nothing. My buoy at that. Don't let him get off.
Joe got that depth down now. I'm gonna check that depth.
I know where Todd's spot is, see?
Oh, is that it?
Stay in
Let's
there.
see what you are. You're 7.5 feet. You're fishing too deep, Todd. That should be some slabs right there on top of that brush. And like about 10 to 14 feet deep. And 18.8, 19, 20 foot of water. Going after them 20 foot crappie. Man, y'all get any fish in a boat before I can get this camera running.
Todd's wearing them out, ain't he?
Down the slab.
Heck yeah.
I'm deep, boy. I'm deep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That might
I'm
be.
like 14 foot deep.
That might be the trick right there, going deep.
That's how I caught that one anyway.
Joe just getting about right now. He's fishing to get one. I'm going taking lessons today, y'all.
That's a damn grown one right there.
Full grown.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good one.
Yep.
Yeah.
11, 12, I guess.
Yeah, he's about 13 maybe.
Yeah. I just let him take him off. Hell, I don't need him.
You take him off
that
there,
box.
Live action. Todd got this live action going on,
Yeah.
y'all.
I need an outfit on there too, though. Hell.
Outfitted up.
Yeah. Oh.
Catching them 20 foot crappie.
Look at him. He's wearing me out. That's a small one there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, throw him back. It's all about putting them in the boat, baby.
That blowed that cork up on top.
It
Yeah.
did, didn't it?
Yeah,
It
floated.
it. Sure enough.
This crappie right here is holding 7 to 15 feet deep. We're having to fish deep on them, probably 12 to 14 to get them to bite. But when they bite, a lot of times they bring the cork back up. They are biting very slow. Yeah, these crappies stacked up here, man, but they're still biting slow. I guess they're still on their summer pattern here because we're fishing in, we're probably about, I don't know, maybe 300 or 400 yards up in a small cut along the river. 300 or 400 yards off of the main channel. But we are in one of the deeper creek channels here, and it's actually we're sitting on 20 to 21 foot of water right here. It's the deepest part of the channel. There's 2 trees here that's just covered up with crappie, but man, they just biting slow. You know, sometimes we catch 2 or 3 at a time. It might be 15 minutes before you catch another one. But they bite slow, and we add them to the live well, so that's all we can do. He getting hot back there, ain't he?
Live action, baby.
So slow, boys, so slow.
Just keep the slack out. Oh yeah. Oh, he's a nice one.
Yeah, he ain't like what I got let get away.
Oh no, but he's still good enough.
Still catching 20-foot crappie.
Hey, why you got that crappie in your hand? Why don't you tell everybody what you done a while ago?
Well, guys, I know you guys been watching Adrian, AWF Outdoor, for a long time. He's making all these videos. But I got a testament to tell you, this man is for real. He's catching these crappie 20 feet deep. And I just had on the biggest crappie I've ever seen in my life. And I couldn't get it to the boat. My personal best is not that good, but this crappie would win 2.5 to 3 pound anyway. It was huge. You could put a Coke can in its mouth. So you guys out there in YouTube land, Adrian Farley's the real deal.
You got to buy it, Joe. He just hit it right here. Get him. Hang on a minute. He's knocking the crap out of it. He hit mine.
Was it?
Yeah. He hit mine, then he started hitting yours over.
Thank you, Joe.
He hit it twice.
You ready to clean my plow?
I don't know. I'm thinking we might need to be fishing on this side. He hit it hard enough to pull your rod tip down.
He killed that minnow too. Look at it.
Yeah.
They will.
Get you another minnow.
They will kill that minnow. I think we got 1 or 2 more minnows left in there.
This show right here, y'all, is titled Diesel Dogs. You'll see why.
20-foot crappie.
That's funny, ain't it?